Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to select and change the color of anything in Photoshop. Okay, so let's open up the Photoshop here. Now open up the image you want to edit. Yeah, I'm going for this image, and now this yellow taxi I'm going to change the color. Okay, this is just an example. You can use this method in anything, in any image and whatever you want. So let's select this shape. First of all, I'm going to use this quick selection tool. Press W or select it from here. Now I'm going to select the whole shape right now. I'm not doing it in so much detail. You can take time and make the selection in detail, and it will obviously look good. Okay, so I'm just doing it in a rough selection. Okay, so I'm just doing a rough selection here. Yeah, that's pretty much done. Now click on the adjustment tab. Now select the hue saturation. Now see, you can use the hue slider to change the color of your selected part. You can use the saturation for the saturation of the color, and you can use the lightness to brighten up or dark or make it dark. Okay, so I'm going to leave the saturation and lightness at 00 at its default position, and I'm just going to change the color to show you guys. So for me, I want this color, or we can go for this one. This one is looking good. Okay, I'm going for this one. Yeah, I like this one. Now see, there are some spots we left behind while selecting. See this area, and this parts. So just click on the mask and press B, or you can select the brush tool from here, and now zoom in, and now just paint with white, because the mask is on black, so everything in black. Just press X, and now it's black. Everything in black will hide, and everything in white will show up. So we are going to paint with white to show the color. Now this is I'm just showing you. You can use any color you want or you like, and you can use this trick in any image. So it's not just work in yellow or like something. It will work in any image in Photoshop. So I'm just doing a rough job here. I'm not making it so in detail. So yeah, it's pretty much done. Okay, yeah, it's done, I think. Now press Ctrl 0 for the view fitting. Okay, so I like it, or I can remove the color from this section. It will look more natural, I think. Use the third bracket to make the brush bigger. Now here there's some yellow parts, and I'm going to, yeah. Now press X again to invert the color and just use it as you want. Okay, so yeah, we are done here. Now it's all how to select and change the color. Now this image is not looking pretty good because I have not edited this image first of all, and second, the color combinations is not going. So we can make it like a teal orange, a basic kind of teal orange. Now go to channel mixer, select the blue one, make the right one -50, make the green around 160 and the blue to 0. Yeah, it's a basic color correction, and pretty much this is all for today. So see you guys in the next video. If you like this video, please hit the subscribe button, share, like and comment.